5 Best Floor Scrubber for Tile Floors and Grout Reviews. Number 1. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber is one of the best solutions for cleaning your tile. You can use it for multiple purposes. It has got very long battery life. There are 2 advanced LG batteries which are rechargeable. Each comes with 2150 mAh power. Within 3.5 hours, it gets fully charged. Then, you can use it for 60 to 90 minutes for cleaning at a stretch. The voltage of this scrubber is 3.65 volt. While cleansing tile, it does not make too much sound. There is an adjustable brush handle that can rotate 360 degrees. That means no effort for cleansing, and that too within minutes. It has got 4 detachable waterproof heads. There is an extra wide flat brush head so that you can clean up a large surface area. The small brush head will help you to clean small surfaces. There is a round bristle head which is fine for cleaning sinks and bathtubs. Number 2. Auric Orbiter All-in-One Floor Cleaner, Scrubber, and Polisher. Auric Orbiter is one of the most efficient grouts and tile scrubber. It is mostly used as a commercial floor scrubber. With the help of this scrubber, you can remove grout marks from tile floors quite easily. This product is way too versatile. The machine is extendable up to around 144 cm. With this scrubber, it's easy to sand, wax, scrub, polish, and strip most of the floor surfaces. This scrubber is also recommended for deep cleaning. It weighs around 22.2 pounds. Along with this scrubber, you will get pads and solutions separately. It is virtually maintenance-free. The induction motor is made with durable zinc and steel. There are basically no gears, belts, or motor brushes that can wear out. It has got a wide 13-inch cleaning path. As a result, this makes cleaning effortless. Number 3. Bissell Spinwave Powered Hardwood Floor Mop and Cleaner. Bissell Spinwave Powered Hardwood Floor Mop and Cleaner is one-of-a-kind tile scrubber. If you are tired of traditional cleaning, it is absolutely for you. It is best recommended for cleansing sealed hardwood floors, linoleum floors, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors. It has got on-demand spray to control the amount of solutions on the floor that allows you to dispense the right amount of solutions for you. With the product, you will get 2 trial-size multi-surface formula solutions. With the swivel steering, it's quite easy to maneuver. It reduces your cleaning effort with the power spin pads. These soft pads easily clean the hard spots on the floor. There are 2 rotatable and washable mop pads for you. It weighs around 11 pounds, so it becomes quite easy for you to clean. Number 4. Rollybot M62 in-1 Floor Scrubber. Rollybot M6 is a great functional floor scrubber that anybody can get. It weighs only 5.5 pounds. So, it's quite easy to maneuver. The charging time for this machine is 2 hours. It can work for 40 minutes at a stretch in high-speed mode and 50 minutes at a stretch in low-speed mode. During the low-speed mode, the mop pads spin at 140 RPM. On the other hand, during the high-speed mode, it mops at 190 RPM speed. With the powerful deep cleaning ability, this is recommended for hardwood, ceramic, linoleum, and marble floors. It's also safe on bamboo, laminated, tile, concrete, and vinyl floor. The best part is it cracks the tough spot quite easily that too without making any mess. There are 2 high-powered heads which are great for cleaning, polishing, and leaving no marks on the floor. The automatic scrubbing spinner buffers grout in the first place and then chucks the mop pads in its washer. Number 5. Auric Commercial ORB550MC Orbiter Floor Machine. Auric Commercial ORB550MC Commercial Orbiter Floor Machine is one of the best commercial floor scrubbers. It works fantastic on bare floor, hardwood, hard floor, and carpet. It's a great floor buffer for cleansing tile, vinyl, wood, and so on. You can easily dry clean and loose dirt from the floor. It also cleans ceramic tile, grout, concrete, and removes oil stains. It weighs around 24 pounds. You get to have a 13-inch cleaning path and a 50-foot power cord if you purchase it. It makes your work way too easier. With the cleaning product, right pad, and brush, you can easily clean and polish your floors. The random orbital drive has got a very unique design. This design makes your work remarkably easier than ever before. It's suitable for use with shampoos, bonnets and other cleaning solutions. The hard floor and tile kits with pads and cleansing chemical solutions are sold separately.